friends of the Swiss Army revolver. Today I have for you something very special, and this are the holster for the Swiss Army revolver. The first one, this one, is a police holster for the Swiss Army revolver 8082. Yes, this holster is very old. It's from 1890. And this revolver was used for private police. For this private revolver. Yes, when I put the revolver in the holster, then it's like so, and this is a nice holster. The second one is the army holster for revolver 8082. When we look here, it's the name of the user of this holster. It's Ordnance holster used in the Swiss Army. When we look inside, we have here this little bundler for spark cartridges. Yes. Here we have a Swiss Army proof mark with a Swiss Kreuz, and this holster is from year 1944. From this firma what is produced. And this army revolver, we put this revolver in this holster. It's like so. Yes. So is it inside. And the revolver is covered. In the police holster is the revolver more covered. In the army holster, not so. And we have another very rare holster. This holster is or could be used for shooting with the revolver over this part. It will be put here, and so these holsters are very rare, and I have only this picture from the holster, and this is the picture from 1892, the inside from the revolver. Then when you like this video, give me a thumb and subscribe for the next videos. Have a nice day. Bye.